Bolognese. Meat sauce, very important. Bolognese is not a tomato sauce with some meat and stuff in it. It's a meat sauce. The meat should be the dominant thing.
So we're halfway through taking this bed down, and we are now trying to get the pineapple brush tray out with enough root system on there to keep it alive. It's taken a lot longer than we thought. It's also really heavy, so we're going to use the white bulk bag to put the pineapple brush tree onto, and then we'll be able to move it around until we plant it. We had our friends around for a dinner after Christmas, which was what the bolognese sauce was for. Kids helping out has made the process much quicker with getting the last little bit out of the wall, and we just can't believe how much space it's opened up. Surprisingly how big it was, especially with the trees in as well. It's going to be a huge space for us to use as a patio. I feel like we've moved endless amounts of rubbish since we moved into this property 2.5 years ago. It's concrete, rubbish, vegetation, just seems to go on and on and on and on. We did an afternoon tea party for Darcy's 6th birthday party. I think you can tell by now that we like food. I came home to the sorry sight of Ben getting absolutely soaking wet, trying to help the water drain off the patio down the garden. We need to get this planted over here. Rox, move your tail. In this space here, we're going to dig a big hole and get the pineapple brush tree planted, and the path will continue around and then join up here. Nice demo with your tape measure there. And then getting slabs just so we've got a hard standing at the bottom of the steps, and then the path will continue round and join up with the stepping stones that we've got over here. We will put a fence in as well, just to screen off the section, because it's the kind of utility bit of the garden that's a bit ugly.
Thanks. No, we're not stamping on it, we're walking. We're trying to, when you stamp, you push the sand out either side. I might have enough to do 2 more days. What I was saying was that when we put the French drain in, and when we dig the soak away there for the water off the back of the garden up here off the garage, these slabs are going to have to come up, so they're very much temporary. And when we dig that up, we'll put in a silt interceptor there, have a large soak away there, and put an ACO along the edge of this hard standing here. But these slabs will come up, it's the pipe for the ACO and the drainage here will have to run down there. And then once we've done all that and dug it all up, and we'll get rid of all these concrete slabs. These are just leftover bits of the house, weren't they? So we can get rid of those and put some gravel or something in, something nice. But we're going to have a gate here anyway, aren't we?
Yeah.
I think we put it on the edge of the retaining wall along to here.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because we're going to fence this bit off anyway, aren't we, to keep the kids out. And then this will be the...
You can't keep the kids out of the back.
Yes,
we
this
can.
isn't where you shouldn't be going up here, should you?
This is where all the stuff we don't want you guys playing with is going to be kept. Yeah, you won't play on it, you promise, yeah. Anyway, so that is the plan for up here. Hence why I don't care what these slabs look like, quite frankly. They're just as a hard stand, temporary hard standing.
So hopefully this one breaks without actually snapping in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fractured again.
Maybe.
Ah! You okay?
Yeah.
Like you said, we're gonna lift it all up anyway, aren't we? But it'll do the job for now.
Yeah.
After moving all the concrete and rubbish, next job was sweeping, doing a bit of weeding, trying to get the garden sorted before the warmer weather arrives and everything starts to grow again. Made the decision to cut the japonica down. A lot of it was rotten and dead, but the root system is good and there's some quite small shoots at the base, so we've chopped that down. It's quite out of balance with the acers when they come out in leaf as well around the pond, so just see how it comes back. It might end up coming out completely at some point. More cutting back, lowlandi. Doing a good job there, Mason. Had it breaking. pond. Right, so this is a pile of the lilander that we're going to shred. We're going to leave it to dry out there for a little while. The other stuff we put in a bulk bag to go to the dump. And then a little bit. So round the pond, weeded round here, cut the japonica down because most of it was dead, but it's got some shoots there. And then down here is completely changed. So Ben's finished moving the old bits of concrete and the blocks, planted the pineapple brush tree down here. Last week we planted the camellia and the tree pinia down here as well. What we're going to do is build a fence, like we said, around the edge here, just to screen off the utility area. We want to make the steps look a bit nicer as well, so we might clad the concrete with some wood of some kind. Maybe not ship black to match the rest of the garage, because that's expensive. Hello.
Because it's Poppy.
What's poppy?
These flowers over there.
Oh yeah, they are poppies, yeah. Okay. A big pile of earth that we will reuse at some point, but it's pretty out of the way there for now. Darcy's been playing on it, but that's fine.